Alrighty. What's good, Joe? In a rush today, obviously, but I do have a little bit more time, um, than usual. I should have about 30 minutes or so we're on the 8:20. Just obviously I have other stuff to do. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to streamline this printing process so I don't have to call the function, but blah blah blah. It should be a little bit faster, I guess. But we do that. I already got started on a little bit, but it's basically just it's just this, but like we're printing it out rather than returning it. Should not return a value. Yes. We just return here. All right, so I'm pretty confident in this working. So I should just be able to take each one. So like I have milliseconds here. So we're gonna, oops, other way. Wait, it's V. What am I hitting wrong? Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Anyway, well, I need to copy the whole thing anyway. 3, 9 down, yoink, 8 down, yoink, or paste. Void, and we're trying to print this. Bam, bam, bam. This needs to go away. And then instead of this, we're going to print along, and we're going to say took blah 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 milliseconds. New line, bam, bam. For expected, yes. Boom. Format that. That looks pretty. I ain't even gonna hold you. So now we do the same thing for seconds. Bam, bam, bam. Void. Print. It should be D capital W. There we go. And then that's that. And then we print took percent long seconds, and then stats, and then we add another one of these, and then we have nanoseconds. It's technically in the wrong order, but whatever. I don't feel like fixing it. So we have void, and then we need to say print. 2 down, D, delete all that, and we're looking for a print, and then we say took percent LD nanoseconds. Oops. And then no, I went too fast. G underscore. There we go. Right. So now we can ignore this. B, delete that. And then we can open up timelapse.h. Right. So now we could basically just say this, and then we're going to actually, can't we do this in a thingy? So QQ WW, oh wait, no, here underscore print escape, and then go back here. Q at Q at Q at Q. Oh my gosh, I'm a genius. But these need to be replaced. Actually, what's the thing for find here? Wait. So wouldn't it be like command star, where's the star? Star slash, oh wait, no, S slash star slash, oh wait. S slash, oh, cool. Okay, I see. And then this is a void now. Like, can you do that for anything? So like if I have S slash, oh no, it's just the beginning. Interesting. Or is it because I selected this, so now I can do S slash? Ah, I see. Okay, 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 okay. Anyway, uh, I'm. I guess we could test it, but I really don't want to. Projects. Actually, I should only need two of these open. CD projects. Um, dlib benchmarking. Then we want to edit test, and then instead of doing this, we can just say, hey, go ahead and print that bad boy out. F this. Let's go print. So now GCC test.c with all warnings. I'm missing time elapsed.c. All right, cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So now that that's done, we need to go ahead and what I really need to do. Actually, let's check that this isn't the case first, right? So what needs to happen is because I might change it more. I don't know. Oh, not release. Source, right? And then let's check that in benchmarking. See if this changed. It did not, which means it's not linked. Yeah, so let's remove benchmarking. And then we can just, actually, I do need this. And then we could just say, all right, let's link time elapsed.c to projects / git-stats source benchmarking. L benchmarking. All right, cool. And then we'll do the same thing for .h. Awesome. All right, cool. So now that we have that, we're done with this and this. So now we can cd projects get stats. cd projects get stats. This one will be that source. All right, so now we have to figure out. Oh, we actually already know what's taking a while, but we want to figure out when we change stuff in nanoseconds, because that's we want to get to a point where it's nanoseconds, not milliseconds in time. Reason being is because I can take this out. So each frame, at least for me right now, it's a little slow because my laptop's slow. Is we get 1/30, right? So what is that? 33 milliseconds. 30. Yeah, so we get 33 milliseconds, or 33.3 ongoing for each frame, right? We do not want to take up that entire thing for each tick, right? Because tick will run each frame period, right? So we want to be slower than 33 milliseconds, which we are not, I don't think. Consistently, I should say. Which means, but honestly, both my update tracked files and update untracked files are slow, in addition to updating the plugin in general. So these need a speed increase, and that's what we finna do right now. But so all these three, the worst case scenario needs to be below 33 milliseconds. The worst case scenario. It's gonna be difficult because I have no clue what I'm doing, but we finna figure it out. So, before I was looking at update untracked files, and I should have a timer in here, right? So instead of doing this, oh, you know what I could have done? I could have appended it. Okay, I'm gonna do that too, actually. because that'll allow me to add this. I'm not going to worry about it right now, but so we end the timer and then we want to print it's a get elapsed time in nanoseconds. Why didn't that? Oh, I hit enter. In where is nanoseconds? Nanoseconds with the print, and we're going to pass in timer. Right, so we're only going to benchmark this at one time. We are making it slower with the prints, but we'll figure it out. So at the moment, I already tested this. Each one takes about a millisecond or so. And we need to make that quicker. Okay, so what I might do, let's put this into do. Dang, this to-do file is large. That's crazy. I was going crazy. Oh, we need to update this, don't we? Change source to private version. We did that. Oh, wait, that's why I was using... Never mind, it's whatever. I'll do this too. Center deletion. Set as inactive. Also a later me problem. Figure out a better way to do untracked files. I did that. Write out install instructions. I also did that. So, speed. How much time do I have left? 17 minutes. Speed increase idea, right? So, let's firstly add this to the table of contents, and then, so I think what I want to do is maybe, because I think the slow part is this, right? We don't want to run this every single time. We only want to run it when we have to. So I think we should manually check if, because then we have to do all this extra stuff, which isn't necessary. Okay, before I do this, let me figure out what the total time is. Yeah. So let's go to, oh, not source. I think it's this one. Yeah. Right. So we're going to go to source, and then we're going to go to tick. So every time we enter here, I want to start timer. What is it? I forgot what it was called. This to the rescue. Never mind. Source, benchmarking, elapsed. Bench. So it'll be bench timer equals this, right? And then we go to the bottom, and then we say, all right, what was the, we're gonna end the timer. Bench. Oh wait, that's wrong. This should be a pointer to bench. Right, and then we'll say get elapsed time. I think this will be in milliseconds at first. Not bench, oh my gosh, timer. Print in milliseconds, yes. So now let's make another one of these. And then we're gonna go to projects, get stats, dev, and then we're gonna build the project. All right. So then we could go to like here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Timer, shadows previous. Oh, did I already have it? 520. Start timer. I don't want to start it there anymore. I'm not benchmarking there. 8. Well, I'm glad it said something. Wait, what? Oh. 5 goes over here. And then we're going to do this. OVS, multi. I didn't spell it right. Cancel. OVS. OVS, multi. That opened over here. I want it to be over here. Bro, fuck. Which one is the one I'm recording on? Okay. Alright, so it's not saying anything. Which, oh, duh, I don't have git-stats on here. Okay, that's going to be kind of annoying. Git-stats. Oh my gosh. It's going to open on a different workspace every time because that's why I have it set up for... I want this one. God dang! Okay, so this is the problem. Maybe I actually don't... Okay, so here's the thing. I might not have to make it significantly slower than 33. I might just have to make it slower than 33. But regardless, this should only be a few milliseconds. Because at minimum, I want to be able to run at 60. Because 60 is actually reasonable. Most people don't record at high refresh rates. And if you do, I highly doubt you're using this. You're gaming or something. So, all right. So, over 60. That means I have to be in 16.6 ongoing, which is we're not even close to this. So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and exit this. And then double check my work and make sure that it is this part that's taking up most of the resources or time, I should say. Resources don't really matter because there's no way that just parsing your file system is going to take that much resource. Because we're just checking and then calling. I want my time. Where did I put it? Here it is. Oh, I have this in update too. I want that in update. All right, so that should be file lock. Okay, here we go. All right, we're good now. So now we build again. All right, so let's go ahead and launch in here and then bring it back over. All right, so yeah, that's a big chunk of the time. It should not be that large. It's gonna be a good chunk of my time, but also that means something else is slow in here too, because we were at like 60s and whatnot. Nothing else should really be that slow. So something else has an issue too, but we can start working on this updating first, because I think that'll be the biggest issue. I don't need this anymore. I verified that this works. And I'm pretty sure I already merged it. And this should be dropping my FPS, I think. No, because we're within... No, we're not. We're not within. Yeah, that's... Okay, there we go. I'm surprised it's not dropping as much, though. Maybe it doesn't matter? But then, on the second hand, why is it dropping? Because I tested this just on... we should make it faster regardless. It'll be a good exercise regardless. Alright, what do we have? 8 minutes left. Alright, so let's go ahead and... I like that being there, actually. So, for update untracked files. So, one way that we could do it... Oh, wait. Ideas. Alright, so one could be keep track of last time the repo folder was edited. Ignore if it's not newer than previous. Downsides of this would be you have to keep track of another array. What else would you need? That's it. Oops. Oh, I forgot I had that there. Upsides. It'll probably be faster. You avoid relying on git diff for everything every time. I feel like I'm missing a downside. Wait a minute, can't we just check the entire thing as well? So like, I'm gonna do this in another, let's do 7. So if I do LL, yeah, this has a most recently edited as well. So I could just, okay. Upsides can also extend this to check the overall repo directory as well. So that would work for both. What else? What is another way we can do this? So every time we go through, well, it would also help to see specifically what the issue is. That could be the one to go with. We could also multi-thread the updating of untracked and tracked. Downsides. This could have issues with blocking resources if it's not faster than the tick period. What else? Would still be bound by the time or by the speed of the actual functions called within the threads. Upsides. I look smart. Could potentially be extended to multi-thread other parts of the program. Yeah, let's just say program or plugin. OBS may have threading. Threads may work differently slash in OBS slash you may have to use a special thread API or whatever it's called. What is another way we could do this? I think I really just need to do some benchmarking to figure out what the slow point is. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's 8:20 already. Shoot. Okay, let's see if real quick. Where's my timer? I want to see which one of these it is. Build. All right, come on. You're going to have to build quickly. We got places to be, things to do. All right. Okay, it's multi. Bring this over here so I can see it. 28. So, does this change if you do it like faster? I don't think so, but all right. So it's in the 20s. All right. So this shouldn't be over here, by the way. So that's in the 20s. We can now take this. I think it's probably unfair to do this. I cannot spell. Once anyway. 5. Oh right, I don't even have untracked files on. So that entire slow process can be even slower by adding this. But it's pretty quick considering I don't think I have many untracked files. Do I have a bunch in here? I don't think so. Yeah, I need to get something with more untracked files for testing purposes. I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, I think that's going to be it. It is what it is, though. Alright. Oh, boy, this is going to be fun. Alright. So now I know what I'm dealing with. I have no clue what I'm doing, but we're going to figure it out. Well, I got to go